Do you want to help cure patients by performing complex medical lab tests? Clinical laboratory technologists and technicians are in high demand in California. They are an indispensable part of a medical team, helping doctors diagnose and treat patients. With a great salary and opportunities for professional growth, medical and clinical laboratory technologists and technicians will find this field to be very rewarding.
My name is Brent DeMeo, and I'm a clinical laboratory scientist here at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. So a clinical laboratory scientist, we perform diagnostic tests that help doctors be able to determine if a patient is basically sick or not. I think just knowing that the work that I do has a direct impact on our patients. Working in the laboratory field, sometimes you can feel detached from what you're doing and just feel like you're doing a test or some monotonous task or whatnot. But when you realize that these are patients that are sick and that they really are relying on you to get better, I think that's the part that's most rewarding. And so I think that that's the best part about being a clinical laboratory scientist.
The healthcare industry in California is made up of over 79,000 businesses. Community college students can earn an associate's degree to become a medical and clinical laboratory technician. There are currently nearly 17,000 medical and clinical laboratory technicians in California. In the next 5 years, it is projected that there will be nearly 5,000 job openings. With a bachelor's degree, students can move up the career ladder and become medical and clinical laboratory technologists. Projections estimate over 2,700 job openings for medical and clinical laboratory technologists by 2019.
The qualifications needed to be a clinical laboratory scientist is that you have to fulfill a certain coursework required by California State. This is usually worked into either an undergraduate program, or if you already have a bachelor's of science in life sciences or biology, you just have to do a post-bac program to fulfill specific courses that the state has on their website. And once you do that, you apply for an internship at a state-approved training facility such as Cedars-Sinai, and then you do a 1-year clinical rotation. And then once you're done doing your 1-year clinical rotation, you take a board exam offered by ASCP, which is American Society for Clinical Pathology. Once you pass that exam, you again apply with the state, who will then determine whether you can be licensed to work as a clinical laboratory scientist.
Salaries for medical and clinical laboratory technicians range from $16 to $25 per hour. Salaries for medical and clinical laboratory technologists range from $30 to $45 per hour.
Skills needed to be successful as a CLS, I think, would be critical thinking skills, such as being able to troubleshoot, and that comes with understanding things, not just as a solitary event, but just kind of as a whole. I think another thing is being very attentive to detail. What you do is, there's this term called workman's pride or craftsmanship, and that's taking pride in the work that you're doing and doing it with a high quality of work such that you feel like the product that you put out is something that you're proud of.
For more information about earning potential for careers in California, please visit salarysurfer.cccco.edu. For more information about careers in California, please visit pathtocareers.net and cacareercafe.com. To find a community college near you, visit cccapply.org and learn more about how you can take the first steps to a fulfilling career today.